future of luxury travel has arrived with the 2025 Mercedes luxury camper van, a perfect blend of elegance, innovation, and comfort designed for those who seek adventure without sacrificing sophistication. Whether you're planning a cross-country road trip or looking for a high-end van life experience, this camper van sets new standards in both functionality and style. Under the hood, the 2025 Mercedes luxury camper van is powered by a cutting-edge 3.0L turbocharged V6 engine, delivering an impressive 300 horsepower. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and Mercedes' advanced 4MATIC all-wheel drive system. This camper is built to handle all terrains with ease, whether it's winding mountain roads or off-grid camping sites. The hybrid powertrain option adds an extra layer of efficiency, ensuring lower fuel consumption without compromising performance. Step inside, and you'll immediately feel like you're in a 5-star hotel on wheels. The cabin is adorned with premium materials such as handcrafted leather upholstery, real wood accents, and ambient LED lighting that sets the perfect mood for relaxation. The spacious interior is designed for ultimate comfort, featuring a fully equipped kitchenette with a 2-burner induction stove, a refrigerator, and a high-end espresso machine for those early morning road trips. Sleeping arrangements are just as luxurious. The rear lounge effortlessly converts into a plush queen-size bed, complete with memory foam mattresses and climate-controlled bedding. Large panoramic windows allow for breathtaking views, while blackout shades provide complete privacy when it's time to unwind. The smart entertainment system, featuring a 32-inch retractable OLED TV and an immersive surround sound system, ensures you stay entertained wherever you are. One of the standout features of the 2025 Mercedes luxury camper van is its state-of-the-art smart home integration. Controlled through a central touchscreen or a mobile app, you can adjust lighting, temperature, and security settings with just a tap. Voice command capabilities make it even easier to operate the camper hands-free, perfect for when you're on the go. Mercedes has also equipped this camper with top-tier safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system that makes parking and maneuvering effortless. Advanced driver assistance technology ensures a smooth and stress-free journey, whether you're navigating city streets or remote back roads. Sustainability is another key aspect of the 2025 Mercedes luxury camper van. The roof is equipped with high-efficiency solar panels, capable of charging the lithium-ion battery system that powers all onboard electronics. This means you can stay off-grid longer without worrying about running out of power. Additionally, the water filtration system provides clean drinking water wherever you go, reducing reliance on bottled water and minimizing waste. For those who love outdoor living, the van comes with an automated retractable awning, exterior LED lighting, and an outdoor shower to keep things fresh after a day of exploring. Ample storage space ensures you have room for all your gear, from bicycles to camping equipment, making this the ultimate adventure companion. With its seamless blend of Mercedes-Benz luxury, cutting-edge technology, and off-grid capability, the 2025 Mercedes camper van is a game-changer in the world of high-end travel. Whether you're a digital nomad, a weekend explorer, or someone who simply craves freedom on the open road, this camper van delivers an unparalleled experience that makes every journey unforgettable.